Have you ever watched a K-drama and found yourself mesmerized by the food? Especially that one perfect roll, packed with vibrant colors and endless deliciousness? If you're a fan of Kpop Demon Hunters, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Many of you might think it's just Korean sushi. But Kimbap, or Gimbap, is so much more than that. It's a staple, a comfort food, and a cultural icon. Today we're diving deep into the world of Kimbap. So, what exactly is Kimbap? Simply put, it's a dish made from steamed white rice and various other ingredients, rolled in gim sheets of dried seaweed and served in bite-sized slices. But that simple description barely scratches the surface of its charm. While some might confuse it with Japanese maki rolls, Kimbap has its own distinct identity and history. Its roots are deeply intertwined with Korean everyday life, evolving over centuries to become the versatile dish we know today. What makes Kimbap truly amazing is its incredible nutritional value. Each roll is a perfectly balanced meal, carbs from the rice, protein from eggs or meat, and a rainbow of vitamins and minerals from the veggies like carrots, spinach, and radish. It's a powerhouse of nutrients. And here's the best part, it's incredibly convenient and affordable. You can grab a freshly made Kimbap for as little as $3-4 USD. It's the go-to meal for busy students, office workers, and anyone needing a quick, healthy, and delicious bite on the go. Imagine getting all this goodness for the price of a coffee. Kimbap isn't just food, it's woven into the fabric of Korean life. From school picnics and hiking trips to family outings, Kimbap is always there. It's the taste of childhood memories, the smell of warmth from a packed lunch made with love. And while the classic vegetable Kimbap is a timeless favorite, the world of Kimbap is incredibly diverse. From spicy tuna to cheesy pork cutlet, healthy multi-grain, or even the miniature Mayak Kimbap. There's a Kimbap for every palate and every occasion. Feeling hungry yet? While buying Kimbap is easy, making it at home is a fun and rewarding experience. Here's a super simplified guide to get you started. The beauty of homemade Kimbap? You can customize it with your favorite ingredients. Use fresh veggies, add some bulgogi, or even experiment with avocado. Don't be afraid to get creative. So next time you watch Kpop Demon Hunters or any K-drama, and you see that glorious Kimbap, you'll know it's not just a snack. It's a delicious, nutritious, and deeply cultural symbol of Korea. What's your favorite Kimbap filling? Or what's another K-drama food you're curious about? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Korea Vibe